Once the Prophet ﷺ was set, reclining, and he was mentioning all the major sins, that making shirk with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, ascribing partners with Allah, drinking wine, etc. And then the Prophet ﷺ set up, and then he said, Ala wa qawl az-zur, ala wa shahadat az-zur, ala wa qawl az-zur, ala wa shahadat az-zur. So what the Prophet ﷺ is trying to emphasize, that fear, that I warn you from giving false testimony, and I warn you from speaking lies. I warn you from giving false testimony, and I warn you from speaking lies. Because if falsehood comes in a community, and everyone is lying to each other, that community is destroyed, is ruined. Husband is lying to wife, wife is lying to the husband. The courtiers are lying to the judge, and the judge is lying to the courtiers, and everyone the policeman is lying to the fellow man, and the fellow man is lying to the policeman. So the whole community is totally destroyed when it comes to life. إِنَّهُ كَانَ صِدِّيقًا نَبِيًّا, that he held on to the truth, and he was certainly a Nabi of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.